Having glowy glass skin is one of the keys to looking fabulous, but that doesn't mean you need to spend every dime on high-end skincare products. You can have beautiful skin with a homemade face mask from ingredients already in your kitchen. To prepare this Korean face mask for glass skin, you need boil rice. Rice has anti-pigmentation and anti-inflammatory properties that lightens and brightens your skin. It also improves your skin texture. Banana paste. Bananas are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that not only fade away discoloration, but also remove wrinkles and fine lines, and make your skin look even more youthful. Honey. Honey moisturizes your skin deeply and also fights against acne. It also gives a natural glow to your face. Lemon juice. Lemon contains vitamin C that helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and gives you a fair complexion. Now take 2 tablespoons of mashed boiled rice in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of banana paste, 1 tablespoon of honey, and ½ teaspoon of lemon juice to it. Mix them well to get a consistent paste. Apply this mask to your face and neck and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off your face with a gentle massage. You will notice an instant glow on your face with the very first application of this face mask. For better results, use this mask twice a week.